Welcome to Foxtecc. If you're trying to download Snapchat on your iPad, you might have noticed that it doesn't show up in the App Store right away. That's because Snapchat doesn't have a version specifically designed for iPads, but you can still install it. Here's exactly how to do it. First, open the App Store on your iPad and tap the Search tab. Type Snapchat in the search bar and look for the app. If it doesn't show up, tap on Filters and select iPhone only. This will display apps that are designed for iPhones but can still be downloaded on an iPad. Since Snapchat hasn't released an iPad-specific version, this is the only way to get it. Once you've found Snapchat, tap Download or the cloud icon to install it. After the installation is complete, open the app and either log into your existing account or create a new one. The app will work just like it does on an iPhone, but because it's not optimized for iPads, it will run in a scaled iPhone view. This means the interface won't take up the full screen, and it might not be as smooth as it is on an iPhone. That's all you need to do. Snapchat may not be fully optimized for iPads, but if you just want to use the app, this method works fine. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPad tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.